Hi, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Dave in the Kitchen. Today I'd like to show you how to make these nice, good, delicious Gingersnap cookies. Very delicious and easy to make. Follow along with me and I'll show you exactly how I did it. Okay, we're going to start off with a stick, 1 stick and a half of a stick of butter. And then you want to add in a third to 4 cups of brown sugar. Okay, we're going to whisk this up till it's creamy. Okay, that's what we want right there. And then you're going to add in 1 egg with 1 vanilla extract or vanilla clear. Okay, we're going to add in some ginger. And that was a tablespoon and a half ginger. Okay, next we're going to add in 1/4 of a teaspoon of nutmeg. Next you want 2 teaspoons of vanilla or some cinnamon. Okay, you want a 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, and then you want a 1/4 cup of some honey or honey. And I use a little bit of brown food coloring to get it dark. Okay, now we're going to use 2 cups of all-purpose flour, followed by a teaspoon and a half of baking soda. You can't be baking powder, you gotta be baking soda. Okay, let's get okay, that's what we're looking for right there. Okay, what you want to do, you just want to take a pinch of this and you just want to roll it into balls. Come back when we get the pan full. Okay, that's what they look like when they go in the oven. I didn't put too many on there because I wanted to space them out so they have time to spread out, because they will spread out. Okay, that's what they look like when they're down in the oven done. And let these cool off, then I'm going to put them. Okay, now we're going to take a look at these delicious Gingersnap cookies. Okay, here we go. Look at that. Just look at that. Look at that. Very nice. We're going to take a bite of this. Oh, that is delicious. Very delicious. Anyways, I want to thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you do subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so you don't miss an episode of my videos. And y'all have a blessing day.